Hey free woman! So my Naked Lunchbox ebook has arrived, finally. It is a cookbook featuring tasty, hearty, high-carb vegan lunchboxes for school or work, or you can just make the recipes for dinner if you want. The book has a clickable menu to take you easily to each lunchbox, even on your mobile phone if you are out shopping for ingredients. So the lunchboxes are designed to keep you at your fittest and healthiest. They are recipes I specially designed myself and ones that I eat myself as well. So there's over 60 full color recipe photos, a lot, including many photos of the actual process. You know, how often do you see that in cookbooks these days? Hardly at all. So it really adds a lot of value to this book. So one of my favorites is definitely the Freedom Bean Burger, but I also love the non-conforming cauliflower, and I also enjoy the no restriction noodle life. There's just so many awesome lunchboxes in this book, and you can just mix and match, make your own lunchboxes depending on your craving at the time. But my Naked Lunchbox is so much more than just a cookbook. I really feel that revealing my own struggles in life, personal stories, helps you in your life. So there are many other parts of this book where I get very intimate and I share extremely personal stories and situations, from being sexually assaulted as a promo girl, exploited as a nude stripper, to exposing my deepest insecurities. My Naked Lunchbox is about true freedom. Freedom in the way you eat, live, move, and exist as a female in this world. It's about working less by escaping the slave cycle and saving more money than you ever imagined. It's about having more time to chill whenever you need it, to always work on what you love in life, and essentially be on a permanent, purposeful vacation. My Naked Lunchbox is about attracting men and women into your life who are drawn to your authenticity and uniqueness, not your cup size. It's about being part of a tight community of females bonded through truth and passion. And finally, it's about being part of a female human revolution. So join us on this tasty, amazing, crazy journey to your true, authentic self. So my Naked Lunchbox really does have it all if you want to nourish your mind, your body, your soul. If you want to be your fittest and healthiest, this is a book for you. Keep in mind, this book isn't designed to be a walk in the park. It's meant to challenge you. It's meant to help you dig deeper within yourself than ever before. So be prepared for that and stay hungry. I spent a heck of a lot of time on this ebook, and so did my designer, Emily. Definitely go and check out her Instagram page, In Gloom Designs. I'm going to put a link down below. She has put in so much work into this book, which you will see from a lot of the awesome graphics, which are her unique designs. So I really recommend hiring her if you need a talented, patient designer. And on a side note, I use this awesome app to actually proofread and edit the book called Pro Writing Aid. I'm going to put a link in the description below. It is such a great app. I highly recommend it. So check out my Naked Lunchbox. The link is in the description below. And take a look at my new community that is just growing on Instagram. Grow some ovaries. I'll see you over there. I'm super proud of this book, so definitely leave some feedback for me. Let me know what you feel about it, if you're challenged by it, if you hate it, if you love it, and I will talk to you soon.